SaaS, software as service, is growing at an unprecedented level than any time before. From CRM to ERP to everything, even Filmora for editing the video, which we're going to take today. SaaS is the breath of most of the organizations today. Post-pandemic, most organizations are highly dependent on SaaS products, and SaaS products are so much popular. SaaS is here to stay. Today, in this discussion, we are going to see the security threats to the SaaS products from the perspective of the customer. I am joined by Jairam, the Chief Executive Consultant of our Brisk InfoSec,
Hi, Abhishek.
who is going to throw a light on how we can secure the SaaS platforms. So, Jairam, I have got the first question for you regarding the SaaS products. Do you think customers are preferring security over the user interface experience? Like for them?
Yes, Abhishek, of course. When SaaS started booming, right, it started giving more user experience and functionality in their trailers or in the snips, whatever they have created in their advertisement. It was more attractive, and people were following that. Okay, I feel this looks very good. This dashboards is good. This UI is good, and I can generate multiple reports. They were seeing the flexibility of the product as well as the functionality, what they can extract from that. No one were considering security because they were thinking, okay, SaaS, cloud, somebody is there, and when they say my SaaS product is backed by Azure, AWS and other stuff, people think, okay, everything is secure. It's like as if it is in a safe environment. But see, the Azure or AWS or the whatever the SaaS backbone, right, the cloud, it is just protected against a volumetric attack like DOS and other known attacks, but not for the application security related attacks. Even if they give WAF, there are specially crafted like injections can compromise the SaaS application. Okay, so now if you see, the shift is something changed after multiple incidents, data breaches, newses, which is being constantly being hitting the social media, right? So after that, now every IT managers or CISO are driving the SaaS product selection with a key criteria of security maturity, like what sort of certifications, what sort of like security assessment report you will show us, or like are you certified in this particular standards, right? So all this gives a credibility to the consumers.
My second question to you is, what is the most common misconception of the SaaS companies? There are so many.
In my experience, I have conducted third-eye review assessment for multiple SaaS product companies. In such companies, one common thing I found, despite their industry, their product, and their customer, right, I found one thing, especially in the risk management, right, their risk assessment is something is getting treated, all the risk has been treated within a couple of controls. For example, I would say a SaaS company claimed that they have DLP and they have the secure SDLC practice within their development team. These two combines and they feel that it is safe. But it took just few days for us, once we took an assignment with them, it took for us few days to crack their mobile application, which is a SaaS based product, had a mobile application, and we could able to compromise the entire database. Like in the sense that we did in an ethical ways, it was a project, so we could able to see all the database transactions and histories of that within by doing a mobile application security test. So this is what the gap I feel in the risk assessment. They were satisfied with a couple of controls. Okay, I have this, so I am safe. There are some other companies said I am doing VAPT every year, so I am safe. That is also not true, because there are n number of layers you have in your SaaS product. You have to secure each and every layer with one or like I would say two or more than like controls. You should have it for that. And finally, there are another company, a mature SaaS company, which I have audited, and I found that they claim they do VAPT regularly, they do source code review, they do XYZ, everything. They are claiming I have all these things. I am a perfect secure company, they were claiming. But when I looked into their WAF, the web application firewall, there was a gap that the WAF was still running in learning mode for more than a year, which means that the WAF was allowing any incoming and outgoing traffic as it is. So these are the misconceptions where the SaaS leaders is not aware of. As executives, you may get a clean report always from your team or colleague or any department, but I beg your pardon here. By having a certification or any framework certified in your organization, that is not going to resolve all your problems. By conducting a security assessment every year, that will not going to solve all your problems. By having a number one security solution or number one firewall in your environment, that will not solve all your problems. Having a integration of all different security practices and solutions will help you to achieve the highest security for your SaaS product.
Thank you so much for answering that question. Now that brings me to the last and the most important question, and why we are here today. How Brisk InfoSec is going to help SaaS companies protect their security?
Yes, we are doing that day in and day out for our customers. So Brisk InfoSec is helping our SaaS companies by doing a third eye review. So what is third eye review? So we do a complete review of your maturity on your governance, risk and compliance, and your security solution and product, and on your security team. So we give that maturity, what you have as of today. At the same time, we also highlight the gaps which is missing part of the your organization security posture. And second thing is, we also do a security testing on all layers of the SaaS architecture. Let's take from the OS, database, network. If you use cloud, all layers we have exclusive security assessment services which will expose the vulnerabilities and weakness, and it will also tell you what are the best practices and the configuration fix which you have to implement part of your security posture. And finally, we also provide resources, the expert SMEs, to enhance your existing security product, security solutions, to tweak and to make that work in the standards of the global industry practices like NIST and other frameworks. So we are here to support you at end to end, and please bank upon us.
I really like to thank all of you for being here today and watching this video till the end about the SaaS products. Thank you so much for being here, and we'll bring up another topic on discussion about any other thing that's happening around. Thank you so much.
Thank you all for watching this stream, and we will continue contributing more to the society by having such awareness sessions. Thank you.